Bitcoin crash, cryptocurrency falls 5.6% to $34,448, Ether drops 8.4%. The live Bitcoin price today is $36,117 with a 24-hour trading volume of $36,892,084,271. We update our BTC to USD price in real time. Bitcoin is up 2% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 1, with a live market cap of $683,973,960,766. It has a circulating supply of 18,937,556 BTC coins and a max supply of 21 million BTC coins. The Bitcoin (BTC) network has recorded a new all-time high mining difficulty of 26.643 trillion with an average hash rate of 190.71 exahash per second (EH/s), signaling strong community support despite an ongoing bear market. However, as the displaced miners resumed operations from other countries, the network difficulty saw a drastic recovery since August 2021. As a result, on January 22, the BTC network recorded an ATH of 26.643 trillion. As of yesterday, the average fee per transaction is roughly $1.58, a value that historically peaked at $62.78 back in April 2021. The Bitcoin price prediction extends the bearish movement to the areas marginally below $35,000 after numerous trials to sustain gains above $36,000. BTC/USD falls toward $34,000 once again, as the largest cryptocurrency embarks on a support-smashing exercise after failing to hold above $36,000 resistance level. The first digital asset is currently consolidating in a bearish flag pattern. Meanwhile, a breakdown from this pattern is supposed to continue in the direction of the previous trend. In this case, BTC/USD is expected to drop and stay below the channel, and could move towards the critical support levels at $30,000, $28,000, and $26,000. However, should Bitcoin price head to the north and move towards the moving averages, the price could rise to $36,000 vital resistance. A further bullish drive could push the price to $40,000, $42,000, and $44,000 resistance levels. The price of Bitcoin tapped a new low this year, hitting $34,000 per unit at just after 5 a.m. EST on Saturday morning. Bitcoin is now down over 48% lower than its all-time high, ATH, reached 2 months ago on November 10, 2021, when it jumped above the $69,000 mark. During the last week alone, Bitcoin has lost 17% in value, and a great number of traders and investors are curious as to when the carnage is going to end. It's been a bloodbath in the world of cryptocurrencies this week, as Bitcoin's (BTC) price has dragged every coin down with it. Today, the entire crypto economy has lost 11% in the last 24 hours. At the time of writing, BTC's market dominance is 39.5%, which is 5.33% higher than it was on January 6, 2022. If Bitcoin price breaks below the aforementioned levels of support, BTC may eventually tag the bearish target given by the governing technical pattern at $29,026, which coincides with the 127.2% Fibonacci retracement level. Investors should note that if Bitcoin drops below the aforementioned pessimistic target, BTC may slide even lower to prices not seen since January 2021. However, if buying pressure increases, Bitcoin price will face immediate resistance at the lower boundary of the prevailing chart pattern at $35,570. Bitcoin's price has gone from $32,983 on January 22, 2021 to $35,811 on the morning of the same day 1 year later. In the year between, however, the price dipped below $30,000 in July and climbed above $69,000 as recently as November 10. Bitcoin investors' shares have gone from just over $1,000 in 2017 to its current price that's hovering around $35,000. That's an incredible return when you consider that during the same 5-year period Amazon stock went from $835.77 to $2,852.86, while Tesla shares jumped from $50.59 to $943.90. Bitcoin slid about 19% in the last 7 days and 8% in the last 24 hours. It was worth $35,291, 49,126 Australian dollars, just after 8 a.m. Saturday AEDT, according to CoinMarketCap. The mass marketing of Bitcoin reminds us of the activity of stockbrokers in the run-up to the 1929 crash. Paul Jackson, who is U.S. investment company Invesco's global head of asset allocation, wrote in a note this week. We think it is not too much of a stretch to imagine Bitcoin falling below $30,000 this year. According to a report released by the country's central bank on Thursday local time, cryptocurrency mining and trading goes against Russia's green agenda and can be used in money laundering or to finance terrorism. Bitcoin dropped 5.6% to $34,448.94 at 18:10 Greenwich Mean Time on Saturday, losing 1,878.27 from its previous close. Bitcoin, the world's biggest and best-known cryptocurrency, is up 1.8% from the year's low of $34,000 on January 22. Ether, the coin linked to the Ethereum blockchain network, dropped 8.4% to $2,352.72 on Saturday, losing $189.64 from its previous close. Bitcoin is now about half its $69,000 peak in November. It was last at $35,049, after falling as low as $34,000 and following a steep fall on Friday. The currency has had wild price swings and has been hit as risk appetite has fallen on inflation fears in anticipation of a more aggressive pace of interest rate hikes from the U.S. Federal Reserve. The world's biggest digital asset, Bitcoin, fell as low as $34,042.78 on Saturday, marking a drop of 7.2%. It has recovered most of those losses, and was trading at $35,445 at 14:19 Greenwich Mean Time. Other cryptocurrencies saw declines as well, with Ethereum down 12%. Solana and Cardano each dropped at least 17%, according to Coinbase. Bitcoin's downfall from its all-time high of nearly $69,000 in November has erased some $600 billion from its market value, and more than $1 trillion has been reportedly lost from the aggregate crypto market. According to Bespoke Investment Group as quoted by the agency, this marks the second largest ever decline in dollar terms for both, while there have been much larger percentage drawdowns for both Bitcoin and the aggregate market. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.